Welcome to South Burlington Mazda. Today we are going to review the 2018 BMW 330e with a plug-in hybrid feature. This particular model is equipped with a turbocharged 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine, which is combined with an electric drivetrain to produce a total of 248 horsepower. As we are looking inside, we can find an amazing Venetian beige leather interior, which offers an attractive yet restrained design and a sensible control layout with familiar BMW ergonomics. The rear passenger space is bigger than ever and very comfortable for a long-distance trip. The short doors facilitate access in tight spaces. The driver's seat offers a lot of adjustment range in the up-down and fore-aft directions. The standard 6.5-inch iDrive display is adequate, but the 8.8-inch screen is the true luxury touch. The iDrive system is easy to use with straightforward menus, graphics, and quick processing. It has Apple CarPlay option, wireless charging, Bluetooth, and Wi-Fi hotspot. This beautiful vehicle has only 24,000 miles and waiting for you at South Burlington Mazda, where you can do a test drive and take advantage of our exclusive Big Deal Plus plan.